Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hoochie Coochie Man on electric guitar. We will begin by mastering the famous main riff, which is typically played in the key of A. Concentrate on developing a solid rhythmic feel, aiming for that classic blues shuffle. For an authentic sound, use a clean or slightly overdriven amplifier tone. This foundational riff sets the stage for the entire song, so practice it until it feels natural and grooving. Next, let's explore the song structure and essential chords. Hoochie Coochie Man is built upon a classic 12-bar blues progression. You will primarily use 3 dominant 7th chords, a 7, D7, and E7. Practice transitioning smoothly between these shapes. Also, pay attention to the call-and-response pattern often found in blues music, where the guitar riff responds to the vocal line, creating a dynamic interplay throughout the piece. Now, let's refine your playing with key blues techniques and dynamics. To truly capture the bluesy feel, incorporate string bending and vibrato into your riffs and solos. Experiment with palm muting to add a percussive, chunky quality to your rhythm playing, especially on the lower strings. Remember to vary your picking attack. Playing softer or harder can create significant dynamic shifts, adding depth and emotion to your performance. These elements are crucial for an expressive sound. Finally, let's talk about soloing and improvisation over Hoochie Coochie Man. A great starting point is the minor pentatonic scale, which provides a solid framework for bluesy licks. Don't forget to experiment with blues notes, particularly the flat fifth, to add that characteristic wail. For inspiration, listen closely to Muddy Waters' original recordings. His phrasing and note choices are a masterclass in blues guitar. Practice improvising over the 12-bar progression to develop your own voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.